Japan!
All together is good. I just wonder if you like me. I can show you my love. Here it is. Don't be shy again. Oh my darling, you're right. Truly I have sweet song tonight. 'Cause I wanted to stay overnight. Don't be coy again.
Hello guys! Welcome to another vlog! For today, isasama namin kayo papunta sa Japan. Magko-commute tayo in a convenient and affordable way. Una, mag-P2P tayo from Laguna to One Ayala, then mag-Grab tayo from One Ayala to Naiya. Our P2P fare cost 580 pesos for 3 packs na and our Grab for 240 pesos. Total of 820 pesos only.
Hi guys! Nandito na tayo sa One Alaya.
Ayala.
Hello guys, ayan, we're passing by to si Tani. Kakababa lang natin from One Ayala. And then, nag-grab na tayo. Mabilis dumating si Kuya Grab as in. And ngayon,
Nandito na tayo sa
papunta sa
airport. Pupunta po tayo sa Terminal 3 at magsasakay tayo ng Cebu Pacific.
You are just like one spring day. 설레임을 주는
Okay, time check. It's 10:25 in the morning and wala namang traffic. Yung flight namin would be at 1:45 p.m. pa.
모든 게 새로 느껴져.
Hi guys! Ngayon, dito na kami sa tapat ng Terminal 3. Ayan. One Ayala hanggang dumating tayo sa STEX and then paliko na dito sa part ng airport sa Terminal 3. Dito na lang tayo medyo na traffic. May konting build up. Pero okay lang naman kasi maaga pa. Gaya nga sabi ko kanina, 1:45 p.m. pa yung flight namin. And time check, it's 10:30 in the morning. Still have enough time pa.
In this travel, kung favorite nyo ako, at saka yung top 1 favorite nyo si Mami, and of course, si Daddy.
조금 서툴지만 이해해줄래 동화 속에서만 보던 Just like shining star 서로 바라보는 이곳 I'll be always by your side Sunny day you make my dream come true 행복한 너 그 피곤한 우릴 비추고 With you by my side 멈춘 시간 속 서로가 마주하는 이곳 I've been waiting for a love like this so 기분 좋은
Hello guys, so tapos na tayo magbayad ng travel tax. Ngayon naman, proceed na tayo sa check-in counter ng Cebu Pacific going to Tokyo.
지금 이 순간 서로가 마주하는 지금 I can see you through a little far away 이게 절이 지난데도 내 진심을 내게 전할 수 있게 나의 품에 가득 안고 고백할 거야 You will always
Yan guys, may time pa naman kaya kain muna tayo dito sa Jollibee. Ayan guys, tapos tayo kumain sa Jollibee. Balikan lang muna natin itong mga gamit na iniwan natin dito sa tapat ng Jollibee. At magkape muna tayo ng slight bago tayo pumunta sa immigration.
Got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute.
Ayan guys, tapos na tayo kumain sa Jollibee. Baba na ulit tayo. Punta na tayo sa immigration.
Hold on a second.
Medyo madaming pila ngayon dito sa elevator pababa. Pero tara, pila lang tayo. And time check, it's 12:26 p.m. Ayan, punta na tayo sa immigration.
Don't you love when we take our time to make love?
sa international departures, immigration.
We don't gotta rush now.
Yan guys, medyo nagtagal tayo dun sa security check. Tara, takbo tayo papuntang gate 108.
Stay a minute, another minute.
Go na!
Hold on a second, love this moment.
Takbo!
Another minute, hold on a second.
Time check guys. Ayun o, 108.
Hold on a second, love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, love this moment, yeah. You got me feeling love. You know I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being too much. You got me feeling love. Even though I hold us up. Let me know if you ever think that I am being so. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment. Yeah.
Disembark now.
Just stay a minute,
Stand by.
another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment. Yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment. Yeah. Just stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment. Yeah. Just stay a minute. Stay a minute. Stay a minute, another minute.
Local time now is 43 minutes past the hour of 6 in the evening. There's an hour time difference between Manila and Narita, Narita being an hour ahead. The ground temperature is 4 degrees Celsius.
Welcome to Japan!
Hey guys, ayan, nandito na nga tayo sa Japan. Ngayon, papunta na ulit tayo sa immigration. Dito sa international transfer. Let's go! Excited sick! Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel.